Good morning, Vincent. We're going to read a book today. What's the title of the book?
Ribbit.
The title is Animal Noises. Can you show me the book?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you close the book and show me? All right, good. Animal noises. All right, what animal is that?
Moo.
No, what animal? Say it louder. A pig. Good. What sound does a pig make?
Oink.
Oink. Good. All right, turn the page. What animal is that?
A duck.
What is it?
Sheep.
Sheep. Good. And what sound does a sheep make?
Bah.
Excellent. Okay, turn the page. What animal is that?
Duck.
What is it?
Duck.
What is that?
Duck. Duck.
What animal?
Duck.
That's a... No, not a pig. That's a... Cow.
Cow.
Good. What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Moo. Excellent. All right, turn the page. Oop, you skipped the page. What animal is that?
Cat.
A cat. Good. What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
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 Mm-hmm. Very good. What animal is that?
Ducky.
Ducky. Good. What sound does a duck make?
Quack.
Quack. Excellent. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye. Tail. 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 Tail.
The tail?
That's the tail.
Oh, ducky tail.
Horse. Take tail. Have a tail.
What animal is that?
Frog.
A frog. Excellent. What sound does a frog make?
Rub. Ribbit.
Ribbit. Excellent.
Rub.
What animal is on the red? Can you show me red? Where's red? Good. Oh, what is that?
Elephant.
Good job. And what sound does an elephant make? Whoa.
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo? What animal goes moo? Cow.
Don't go.
Turn on.
Go.
Okay, hold. Where's the bird?
No.
Good. And what sound does a bird make?
Tweet.
Tweet. Excellent.
But tweet.
Yes, bird says tweet.
But he does tweet. Okay.
What book do you have?
The elephant in the book.
You gave the elephant the book?
Yeah.
Whoa, what book is it?
A horse.
He's holding it? Good. What animal is on the cover?
Monkey.
A monkey. Good. And what sound does a monkey make?
Oh.
Good.
Monkey. Oh.
Fantastic.
Monkey. Oh.
Good. How old are you?
Almost. Two.
Good.